Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stock with Khan, and in today's video I'm gonna be going through one of another hard stock. It is also somehow at this point related to electric vehicle, um, in general the hype of that, and it is also releasing its earning report tomorrow as well. So stick around because I think you will like this video. Welcome back. So the stock I want to talk about today is called General Motor. It's one of the largest US based automaker. They are dumping a lot, like millions and millions at this point in the EV sectors. They are obviously making a lot of assumptions and making big claims that they are going to dominate that market over Ford by next 10 to 15 years at this point. The thing that I like personally about reading about this company is that they have everything settled. One of the main thing that is the main troublesome factor for the EVs, emerging companies such as including Tesla actually, is that, and that makes it difficult for them to make them profitable, is that they have to generate giga electric vehicle plants. They have to establish a new infrastructure. They have to put millions and billions into R&D. All these things are already established for General Motors. All they have to do is retool them, reshape them, and that's why this company could for sure dominate what they're saying in the next 10 to 15 years. And that is the reason why the articles I'm going to be showing you today will reveal to you that this stock at this price is very, very interesting. And for sure, the analysts, as well as when I was going through the fundamentals of the company, I think this is a very, very good buy at this price. So let's get into the fundamentals of the company. The company has obviously its day range at this point is started 54 at 54, and it's currently, reached to its maximum 56. Its year range is, its minimum was 20, reached to its maximum that was 63. Its market cap is 80 billion, and if you look at its I have to show this to you from Yahoo Finance. So this is, you see, this is the stock General Motors. On Yahoo Finance, the analysts are rating it as 1.8 buy, really good. I personally think this company has a lot of potential. If you look at the tip rank, the top 12 analysts from the Wall Street, they see it as stock of 69.42 in the next 12 months with 25% upside potential, and they're rating it as a strong buy. So it's sitting right now at 55. This is really good. I personally think this is almost a stock worth somewhere $75, $80 by end of this year after what I have read about this company. Now let's get into some of the articles. They are very, very interesting. They are saying, so by the way, the earning report is tomorrow, so stay tuned to that, because the articles are saying that this stock could hit new all-time high on strong Q1 earning, target price of 69, just like I showed you here as well overall. So if you look at it, they are saying that General Motors, one of the largest US-based automaker, is expected to report its first quarter earning of 1.02 per share, which represents year-over-year growth of over 64%, as this was 0.62 per share in the last quarter, in the last year, the same quarter. Other news regarding that is the 12 analysts who offered stock rating for General Motors in the last 3 months forecast average 12 months of 69 with high forecast of 85 and low forecast of 62. They are both obviously at this price 55, higher than this, really good for the stock. The average price target represent 20.81% increase from the last price of 57. That is, this, by the way, this article is from May 3rd, so you will have to consider it at that price. Of those 12 analysts, 11 rated this stock as a buy. This is very, very good. One rated hold, and none of them have rated it sell. Morgan Stanley gave the base target price of 80 with the high of 120 under a bull scenario and 32 under the worst case scenario. If it goes to 32, that will be from this price 40% downward scenario. So I don't personally think that this will happen, because I will show you, if overall you look at the stock in the last so let's go to 6 months, because this last 3 months since February, March, April, those 2.5 months, actually there's been, especially the EVs has been smashed very, very badly. But if you look at it, since January 19, this stock is trading around about 55. Right now it's sitting at 55. I don't think this stock will have any effect. I don't see it as a stock which will go down to 32. So I'm personally thinking that this stock for sure will be sitting around about 69.70 by end of this year. But do your own research. I think this stock looks very good at this current price, and tomorrow's earning report is going to be very, very interesting. Let's go into the analyst comments about this. They are saying that we are all based on General Motors' diversified portfolio with multiple ways for GM to enhance shareholder value through EVs, ICE, autonomy. GM also has leading North American margins, generates strong cash flow, and has robust balance sheet. That was said by analyst Morgan Stanley. So overall, I wanted to tell you that the analysts are rating this stock at this price as a very strong buy, and they see it as having very good upside potential. Could be that this happened immediately after the Q1 earning tomorrow. That's why I wanted to make this video very timely. Please do your own research and always consider your own due diligence, because this is always better for you. Than I'm just gonna give you the info that I came across and I personally think has a potential to make you money. This other report is saying why earnings session could be great for General Motors. This was also very, very interesting. If you read about it, it says that investors are always looking for stocks that are poised to beat at earnings session, and General Motors GM may be one such company. The firm has earnings coming up pretty soon, which is actually tomorrow. So they're saying that if events are shaping up quite nicely for their reports. That's very, very true. GM is also talking about, I think there is a rumor that they might merge with CLII, but you will also have to again confirm on that as well. The fact that I came across is after reading is that they are for sure claiming to dominate the EV market in general in the States in the next 10 to 15 years. Overall, if you look at it further in this article, they are saying that is because General Motors is seeing favorable earning estimate revision activity as of late, which is generally a precursor to an earnings beat. After all analysts raising estimates right before earning, which with the most up-to-date information possible, is a pretty good indicator of some favorable trends underneath the surface for GM in this report. In fact, the most accurate estimate for the current quarter is currently at 1.05 per share for GM, compared to a broader Zacks consensus estimate of 1.02 per share. This suggests that the analysts have very recently bumped up their estimates for GM, giving the this stock Zacks earnings ESP of plus 3.77% heading into the earnings. Very, very good for the company. Yeah. So overall, if you analyze this stock more and more, and the articles go on, there are plenty of articles about this. You can also read some of the articles by yourself. So overall, I think this stock is very good fundamentals, and you can see here I didn't mention that this stock has a very good PE ratio that is under 15. Always a PE is under, whenever a PE is under 15, this is really good for the stock, and this stock is one such its EPS is also in plus. So I personally think this stock is sitting at a very interesting price. If you think the same and agree, please comment below. And if you have any suggestion, obviously you're welcome to comment, and I will of course then consider that and make a video about that. In any case, I humbly request for a subscription so that you get notified on the release of another video. And stay blessed, and I will see you in the next video.